Hi, this video will show you about our 3-in-1 dongle to use with our BYOD system. So here we have the 3-in-1 USB dongle, a Type-C, and a USB, or we can just use one of these Type-C to USB adapter, or one of these USB to the micro cable. So here's the for the USB cable. And if we plug out, then we will have the HDMI. So we will have the HDMI interface. So now we're going to show you using the Type-C, HDMI, USB with the adapter, or USB with the cable to really share the contents from this PC to this TV, which is connected to the BYOD. So now we're going to use the Type-C, and we'll just plug to the PC here. So now we just have this Type-C plugged to this PC here. Now we already got the wireless sharing from the PC to the TV here. If we press button, off sharing, press again to start sharing. So next part we're going to show using the HDMI interface. So now we just disconnect the Type-C, then we plug out the HDMI interface, then we just plug to the HDMI interface of the laptop here. So now we already have the HDMI connected to this PC here, then we just wait for the indicator stay to the solid light. So now we already got the sharing wirelessly. Press again to off sharing. Press to start sharing. Next part we're going to use in the USB. So for using the USB, we have two ways. The first way, we just use the Type-C to the USB port. So we just have these two connected. After it's connected, it's already USB. Then we just plug to the USB port. Then we just have this plugged to the USB port. Just wait it for a few seconds. Then we can press the button to start sharing. Press again to off sharing. Start sharing. Now we're going to use the USB cable through the micro port. Now we have the USB cable, then through this micro USB, then we just have these two connected. After it's connected, we just have the USB cable plugged into the USB port on the laptop. After it's connected, then we just wait for a few seconds until the light turns to the solid light. Then we just press the button to start sharing. Press again to off sharing. Start sharing. Off sharing. Okay, thank you.